Hello everyone, I changed this control today because these keys didn't work. So I changed this one. I went to parameter here. I choose password number 22, and after that I choose the fan. I changed every parameter that I need here. At the end I've got a problem here because the main problem was the defrost in this control. So D0, I chose first the number 2 here, that is heater by time, and the voltage break out when I put in the 2, and then when I choose the 0 it didn't work. But finally I chose number 4, and it's working now. Wait a minute. You have to press the set button for almost 5 seconds, so everything saves here. As you see here, when I tried manual the defrost, it is working now, but before it didn't work. So the temperature is 3.8, and I'm gonna show you the fan is working all the time. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, the problem is solved today. So thank you so much.